Manufacturing plants run on precision, but one slip in safety can disrupt everything. From equipment hazards to exposure risks, the challenges are real and relentless. But with the right tools, they can be managed and even prevented. That's where Safetymint comes in, a modern safety management software tailored to the fast-paced world of manufacturing. Safetymint brings together powerful safety modules in one easy-to-use platform, helping you stay compliant, reduce incidents, and keep your teams protected across every job site. With the incident management system, you can report incidents from the site using mobile or desktop, attach photos, documents, and investigation notes. Use the built-in 5-step incident investigation process. Assign follow-up actions with due dates. With observation management, you can capture unsafe acts and conditions in real time, categorize by severity and location, tag the exact location and involve teams, spot patterns and improve safety training. With inspections management, you can create and assign digital checklists, mark items as compliant or not, assign actions when issues are found, add photos and export detailed reports. With the actions management tool, you can assign corrective or preventive actions, set reminders and due dates, link actions to findings, track every task to closure. With training and toolbox talk management, you can schedule and track sessions across job sites, record attendance digitally, assign training by role or risk type, keep crews ready and compliant. With the work permit system, you can create digital permits with defined workflows, set approval chains and expiry dates, add and manage contractors, maintain a complete digital permit log. Safetymint helps manufacturing teams improve safety outcomes with speed, accuracy, and real-time visibility, while maintaining productivity on the shop floor. To see how it works, take a free trial or schedule a demo today. Visit safetymint.com.